Okay, we're here at Moneyline. Talking about your video wall system. TV 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's represented on your iPad right here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can see in the boxes what's playing. DirecTV 1 is playing on those 4. DirecTV 2 is playing on those 4. And DirecTV 3 is playing on those 4. So 4, 2, and 3. The bottom of the iPad is the remotes. Okay, so if I was to click on the remote for DirecTV 4 right now and hit guide, which I'm about to hit guide, the guide just came up. Okay, here's the remote. If I swipe over, here's all your hotkeys: ESPN, ESPN2, golf. So let's push golf. Watch what happens. Okay, I'm pushing golf. 218 automatically gets hit, and it's switching to the golf channel. Okay. Back to the iPad. The middle one is playing DirecTV 2. That one's playing DirecTV 4. So if I was to, on the iPad, select this box, and then hit DirecTV 4, and then here, DirecTV 4, here, DirecTV 4, here, DirecTV 4, they're both playing golf now. See that? Well, it's 4 TVs grouped as one. So over here right now, it should say 4, 4, 4, 4. Over here is still playing DirecTV 3. I'm gonna do this so you can see it. So I'm gonna push that button and then go 4. Then here and 4, here, 4, here, 4. You see them switch live? Now again, I grab the remote for DirecTV 4 on the bottom, I hit guide, the guide's on all 4. Now if you click on the home button up here, and you go to the layouts, there's all these different layouts: single, 4x4, 6x6. We're on 4x4x4, but I'm gonna hit it again. This 4x4x4 will always load you back to DirecTV 4, DirecTV 2, DirecTV 3, okay? Anytime you push that button, it's gonna reload to 4, 2, and 3. So that's DirecTV 4, that's DirecTV 3, that's DirecTV 2. Okay, let's try another layout. This one's called 6x6. 6x6 automatically updates to 2 on the left, 3 on the right. That's DirecTV 2, that's DirecTV 3. You see it there on the iPad? So if I click on the remote for 2 and I hit guide, the guide just came up over there, and I hit exit. If I click on home, if I click on 3 over here and then guide, you get the guide over there. Okay? If you don't want DirecTV 3 playing over there, you want, say, DirecTV 4, you select this button and you go 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. They're all switching. They're all switching to 4 right now. They're all on 4. So I grab the remote now, hit guide, that's 4, okay? You also have here Roku, DJ booth. There's an input over there for the DJ booth. See, I just knocked off that one there. I put it on DJ booth, but nothing's plugged into it. So I'm gonna switch that to Roku, switch this Roku, 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 Roku. So now all 4 of those are playing Roku. The YouTube app is running. Surfing channel is what's playing. Okay, and also on the bottom of the iPad is the Roku remote. So if I push that, boom, you come back to stay here. I have it on the surf channel. You could put on whatever channel you want, tennis. This is the DirecTV app that's running up there, okay? There's the home button I just pushed. You'll see in a second all the different apps that you have. You have Netflix, you have all these different things. You have YouTube. Let's put on YouTube. And then we're gonna get to the last thing, which is sound. So we're gonna hit this thing. Okay, this guy's DJing. Okay, and the home button right here. This button right here is very important. TV audio. Okay, whichever one you want to listen to. DirecTV 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or the Roku. We want to listen to the Roku. See that just updated to Roku? Now you click over here. We're listening to Sonos right now. If I switch this to TV, you're gonna get that sound. That guy's the sound. Okay. Let's switch it to. Let's switch it to the sound from DirecTV 1. I'm sorry, DirecTV 2, which is that. See her sound? She's talking fine. Let's switch it back to Roku. You just hit the button so it updated. That's it. Alright? Next video, that's the video wall. Next video, we'll talk about the Matrix, which is all these TVs around the whole place. You got your TVs in the back there too, all on the Matrix side. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sports TV. 16 TVs, 8 in this room, and then there's 8 back there. The full tour.